God.
What's up with God?
God is our life.
God's our life? Who told you that?
Nobody. I learned it from myself.
Oh. Okay. What else do you want me to know about God?
God created all this,
All of what?
all of this, all of this. He didn't need help.
He didn't need any help?
He didn't need any help.
Is God a girl or a boy?
A boy.
How do you know he's a boy?
Because I'm 5.
Are you God?
Yep,
You are a little God, aren't you?
I am a God. I'm a 5-year-old God. And you are a God.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I'm a God?
Yeah, everyone's a God.
Everyone's a God. I think that's so true.
Yeah, my sister's a God. My dad's a God.
Okay.
My babysitter's a God.
Oh, so everyone's a God. What about your grandma?
My grandma is a witch.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.
Thank you for talking to me about God.
Yeah, and God loves you too.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.